Hey, it's Design Guy here. I'll show you how to make cool masking effects in Canva, step by step. Click Create to start a new project. Next, select Custom Size and enter 300 by 300 pixels for both width and height. After your canvas appears, click Elements from the sidebar. Choose the shapes, graphics, or photos you want to add, and arrange them as desired. Click on Graphics, then select See All to browse available options. Choose the image you want to use and click Create to add it to your project. Next, let's add another image. Repeat the process by clicking See All again. Select your new image and click Create. Both images will now appear in your workspace, ready for editing. To stop a for loop in your code, select the appropriate loop statement, then expand its options. Look for the break or stop command within the menu, and choose it. This will halt the for loop when the specified condition is met. Next, tap on Apps to open the available applications. In the search bar at the top, type Blend Image and press Enter. This will display a list of related tools. Locate the Blend Image app from the search results and select it to continue. Adding this app will enable you to merge two or more images easily within your project. Once you've selected it, make sure it is added to your workspace. You can now start blending images using this tool. Select the Blend Image option from the available menu choices. Type the file name into the search bar, then press Enter to quickly locate and open the file. This feature allows you to easily share your work, download a copy, or save it separately for future access. First, click the Share button to generate a link you can send to others, making collaboration simple. If you want to keep a local backup, click Download to save your work directly to your device in your preferred format. To save your project separately within the software, choose the Save As option and enter a new name. These tools ensure your projects are accessible, shareable, and safely stored, providing flexibility no matter how you want to manage your work. Click the Download button in the upper right corner to save a copy of your project to your computer for future use. Click the second download option to begin the process. Locate the file you want to download, then move your cursor to the appropriate download button. Once you've found the second download button, select it. The download should begin automatically, and you'll see a progress indicator appear on your screen. Wait for the process to complete before you take further action. After the file finishes downloading, navigate to your designated downloads folder to confirm that the file has been saved correctly. If necessary, double-check the file name to ensure you have the right version. You can now move forward with using the downloaded file or continue with the next steps in your workflow. Select both images you want to keep by holding the Shift key and clicking each one. Next, locate the image you want to delete. Click on it to select it, then press the Delete key on your keyboard or right-click, and choose Delete from the context menu. Now, you can continue working with the images you need. Click the Enemy Screen option in the menu to proceed. Now, you'll see the enemy display panel appear on your screen. Here, you can monitor enemy units, view their positions, and get a detailed overview of enemy activities in real time. Notice the icons and indicators representing each enemy unit and their status updates. If you hover over any unit, you'll see additional details like health and attack range. Use the filters at the top to sort or focus on specific enemy types. Explore these features to optimize your strategy and counter enemy actions effectively during gameplay. Next, add this design to the following page. To do this, select your design, copy it, and paste it onto the next canvas or slide. Once your design is in place, we'll incorporate additional elements to enhance your project. Click the Elements tab on the sidebar, then browse or search for graphics, shapes, or icons that fit your needs. Drag and drop any element onto your design. Here, you can see the app interface, which makes these steps simple and intuitive for editing. Type your search term in the search bar at the top. Press Enter or click the magnifying glass icon to begin searching your content. Right-click on the file you want to work with to open the context menu. From the menu that appears, select the Send To option. This will display a list of destinations where you can send or move your file. Choose the appropriate destination based on where you need the file to go. After sending the file, you can use this section to perform additional actions or customize your workspace. If you'd like to organize your files visually, you can assign a color to this file by selecting the Color or Label option if your operating system supports it. This helps you keep track of your files and improves workflow. Continue to use these tools to stay organized and efficient while managing your file. To save your image, first make any final adjustments. To add the AM effect, click on the Edit button, then select the glow option from the available effects. Increase the glow size by adjusting the slider, making sure the effect is noticeable but not overwhelming. Next, change the color of the glow to black by selecting it from the color palette. This creates a subtle, professional-looking shadow effect around your image. Review your changes to ensure the effect looks as intended. Once satisfied, click the Save button to store your edited image. Your image now has the AM effect applied and can be shared or used as needed. To increase the intensity, First, select the element you want to adjust. In the right-hand panel, locate the intensity slider, then drag it to your desired level. Notice how the effect becomes stronger as you move the slider to the right. Now, if you want to apply the same intensity settings to another element, simply select it and repeat the process by adjusting its intensity slider. This way, you achieve a consistent look across your design. To add an outline to just one side of your shape, first select your shape. Next, go to the Format tab and choose Shape Outline. From the drop-down menu, select Weight and then More Lines. In the Format Shape pane, adjust the Custom Dash or Cap options to apply the outline only to your chosen side. Click the Share button in the upper right corner of your screen. In the drop-down menu that appears, select Download. Next, choose PNG as your preferred file type from the available options. Confirm your selection, and then click the Download button. Your design will start downloading as a PNG file, which you can locate in your computer's default downloads folder once the process completes. To select the same background type, first deselect this page by clicking outside of it. Then, click the Done button to save your changes. That's all you need to do to complete the process. You've just learned how to create a cool masking effect in Canva. If you found this useful, hit like and subscribe for more creative tips.